I think that the Imperial library has some pipe and tube information, but not the metric. And basically, my answer to the question if there are defined pipe and tubes in the library, predefined in the library, the answer is no. And it is relatively easy to do. Actually, I'm doing it in these days, and I show you what I'm doing as an example. So this is my big table of, so I am in the library manager. I am in the connection tabs. And as you can see, I can have tubes, I can have pipes, and I can have hose. So you can just click add new, and you type in the information and save. And this is how you add all the pipe, tube, and hose in the library. There is no easy way like in the components to import from Excel. Actually, I am not doing the manual work like you see here. I'm not typing and saving. I am working directly in the database. So if you need some help with massively populating pipe information, we will be able to support. So basically, the answer to the question, are data pre-stored? No, or at least not enough to be enough for the user. How to add the information in the library? You can do directly in the library manager on your own, but there is no massive way. You must do one by one. If you want a massive way, some help, get in touch with support@vestusa.com, and we will be happy to instruct and explain how to do. I am actually asking also the developers to get some improvement on this part, because importing a large data set may be otherwise time consuming if you don't have enough skills with database. So for sure, what you see here has not been done manually, because putting all this information manually will end up with some hours. This is done within a few minutes by me.